Okay, good morning and peace be upon all of us. Honorable Miss Dr. Andes Munawaro, SA MSE, as the supervisor of field work practice, as well as the examiner lecturer whom I respect. On this occasion, I will present a fieldwork practice report entitled Field Work Practice Report at PT Citra Insa Mandiri Human Resource Division Recruitment Section. I carried out this fieldwork practice for 5 months from 5 January 2026 to 29 May 2026 at the Human Research Division of the Recruitment Section of PT Citra Insa Mandiri. During the implementation of the fieldwork practice, I gained first-hand experience in the implementation of digital-based recruitment administration, starting from the publication of job vacancies, screening applicant administration, managing candidate data, to preparing interview schedule. Next, I will explain the content of the report consisting of Chapter 1, Introduction, Chapter 2, Implementation of Field Work Practice, Chapter 3, Work Analysis, and Chapter 4, Closing. That's my introduction. Next, I will enter the discussion of Chapter 1, Introduction. Okay, before moving on the main discussion, here is the table of content for the presentation I will be delivering. This presentation consists of 4 chapters. Chapter 1 covers the introduction, which includes the background, objectivity of the fieldwork practice, benefit of the fieldwork practice, and implementation methods. Next, in Chapter 2, I will explain the implementation of the fieldwork practice at PT Citra Mandiri, ranging from the company profile to the activities I carried out during the fieldwork practice. Chapter 3 will present a job analysis, specifically the connection between the theory I learned in class and the practical work I perform at the company. Finally, Chapter 4 contains the conclusion, which include finding and recommendation based on the result of the field work practice. Okay, the background for this field work practice is rooted in the development of digital transformation, which has made administrative and human resource management more effective through the use of technology. One of the impact of this is that the recruitment process is now conducted digitally, utilizing social media, job portal, and various supporting application. These competencies align with the curriculum of the D4 Digital Office Administration Program. Therefore, I choose the complete my fieldwork practice at PT Citra Mandiri so that I could apply the competencies I have learned while gaining real world experience in the digital based recruitment administration. Okay, the field work program at PT Citra Mandiri aims to provide real world work experience while applying the knowledge gained during my studies. Specifically, I want to understand the recruitment process and human resource administration, develop competencies in the digital recruitment administration, improve both my technical skills and soft skill, such communication, coordination, and teamwork, and gain work experience to prepare my for entering the workforce after graduation. Okay, the field work program benefit all their parties. For the interns, the program provide an opportunity to apply what they have learned, enhance their competencies is in digital office administration, gain work experience, and develop a professional attitude. For the university, the internship program strengthens collaboration with the industry while also serving as basis for evolution to ensure that the curriculum remains aligned with technological uh, advancement and the needs of workforce. Meanwhile, for PT Citayam Mandiri, the interns assist with recruitment administration from posting job openings and managing candidate data to communicating with applicants, thereby making the recruitment process more effective and efficient. Okay, next, the fieldwork practice program consists of three stages. The first stage is observation, which involves observing the recruitment administration process, studying the company workflow, and understanding the use of digital media and application that support the recruitment process. Okay, screening applicant, managing the candidate database, scheduling interview, communicating with candidates, and assisting with hiring events. The final step is evaluation, which involves reviewing the result of my work with my field supervisor, identifying challenge uh, incurred during the recruitment process, and receiving feedback to improve my attention to detail, communication skill, and professionalism on the job. PT Citran Semandiri is a company engaged in human resource service and outsourcing. The company was found in 2014 and focus on providing and managing human resource for various client companies. The service provide include recruitment and selection of employee, staffing, employment administration, and payroll management. Give the scope of business, PT Cindras Mandiri was the ideal place for me to complete my fieldwork practice as it provide an opportunity to learn about uh, and be directly involved in the administration of the recruitment process within the recruitment section of the human research division. Okay, next, PT Citra Mandiri's vision is to be a solution partner in human resource management, ground in integrity, and commit to developing human potential as the company's primary asset. To realize the vision, the company pursues three mission is providing competent human resource managing. In addition, the company has an organizational uh, structure that clearly define the duty and responsibility of each division. During my fieldwork placement, I was assigned to the human resource division, specifically the recruitment department, allowing me to be directly involved in various administrative tasks related to the recruitment process. Okay, next. During my fieldwork placement, I was assigned as a recruitment intern in the recruitment section of the human resource division. My main responsibility were to assist with administrative aspect of the recruitment process to meet the staffing needs of various client company. My responsibility include posting job, uh, opening on Instagram, Glints, and Kita Lulus. Screening applicant, managing candidate data using Google Form and Google Sheet, scheduling interview, communicating with candidate via WhatsApp, assisting with hiring events, and creating various recruitment administration templates. All of these activities are supported by the use of various digital platform, ensuring that the recruitment administration process runs smooth effectively, is well organized, and is properly documented. Okay, my fieldwork practice to place over approximately 5 months from 5 January 2026 to 29 May 2026 at PT Citra Mandiri in the recruitment section of the Human Resource Division. The internship consists of three stages. The first stage was preparation, which include the internship application process, administrative screening and interview, as well as pre-work briefing. Okay, the second stage was the internship itself, which was conducted in office Monday through Friday during the company's operating hours. The final stage is report writing, which involves collecting data and documentation throughout the internship, then drafting the report and working with the supervising instructor until the report is complete. Okay, next, during my field work practice, I was placed as a recruitment intern in the human resource division of the recruitment section. My main task is to assist in the implementation of the recruitment process administration to meet the manpower needs of various client companies. The client I handle uh, include PT Multi Bintang Indonesia, Fumakila Indonesia, and WD Indonesia, WD 40 Indonesia. The position required include merchandiser, sales promotion girl, sales promotion boy, and team leader according to need of each company. Okay, during my field work practice at PT Citans Mandiri, I was placed as a recruitment intern in the human resource division of the recruitment section. In this position, I was responsible for assisting with various recruitment administrative uh, to meet the manpower needs of various client companies. The activities I do start from creating of publishing job vacancies through the company social media and job portals. Once the candidate starts applying, I conduct a curriculum vitae screening to ensure that the applicant has met the qualifications specific by the client company. Furthermore, candidates who pass the administration stage are asked to fill out a Google form. Then I manage all the data back to in the candidate database using Google Sheet so that all information is documented systematically and easily monitored during the recruitment process. After the candidate data is complete, I have prepared the interview schedule, then contact the candidate via WhatsApp to convey the schedule, provide information on the implementation of the interview, as well as send reminders so that the candidate can attend according to the uh, predetermined schedule. Okay, and next in addition, I also assist in the implementation of interview, both in person of through Google Meet for candidate outside the Greater Jakarta area, as well as updating the status of candidate in the database according to development of the selection process. Not not only that, I also practice in the hiring event activities, which are to assist in recruitment administration directly, starting from receiving candidate registration, checking completeness of document, to directing candidate to follow the selection stage according to company procedure. Through this entire series of activities, I gain experience in managing digital-based recruitment administration, improving communication skill with candidate, uh, and understanding the recruitment flow as a whole from the publication of vacancies to the selection process. Okay, during my fieldwork practice, I not only carry out recruitment administration duty, but also understand how each activity is interrelated in supporting the process of meeting the client's company's workforce needs. The first analysis in the publication of job vacancies. This process analyzes digital media such as Instagram, Glints, and Kitalulus so that vacancy information can reach more potential applicant quickly and efficiently. Next is the management of recruitment administration, which include curriculum vitae screening, Google Form management, and preparation of candidate database using Google Sheet, systematic data management facility the monitoring process and reduce the risk of administrative errors. In addition, I also have prepared interview schedule and communicate with candidate via WhatsApp to convey interview information at attendance reminds. And good communication has a great influence on the smooth selection process. I'm also involved in supporting administrative activity such as assisting with the implementation of hiring event and coordinating with the human research team. From all these activities, I understand that recruitment administration does not only focus on the document management, but all require the use of digital technology, effective communication, and coordination between departments so that the recruitment process runs optimally. Okay. Next, during my duty, I faced some common obstacle in the recruitment process. The first obstacle is that there are some candidates who use photo in the curriculum vitae that do not match the actual condition because they have used filters or editing results. To overcome this, I contact the candidate via WhatsApp and ask for the list photo without filters so that the administrative selection could be carried out more objectively. And the second obstacle is the presence of candidates who do not respond to interview invitation. This condition uh, cause the interview schedule to be less than optimal. The solution I did was to follow up with the candidate again and provide the opportunity to reschedule if they were still interested in participating in the selection process. And The last obstacle is the change in the interview schedule from the PIC and the company user. Is this condition? I update the schedule on the candidate database and immediately contact all affect candidates so that the selection process could still run properly. Okay, next, based on the experience during field work practice, there are several development proposals that can be applied by both the company and the study program. For company or for agency, uh, it it is recommended to develop a more structured standard operating procedure or SOP for recruitment administration so that the workflow is more consistent and easy to understand. In addition, company can add the less unfiltered photo use condition to job vacancy information so that the administrative verification process becomes more effective. Companies can also optimize their interview scheduling system through a digital calendar or a more integrated coordination system to minimize schedule change. In terms of the study program, the briefing on digital-based recruitment administration needs to be improved, including training on curriculum vitae screening, professional communication with candidate, and database management using cloud-based application. The student will be better prepared to face the world of work the increasingly uh, on digital technology. Okay, next, the last, based on the implementation of field work practice at PT Citra Mandiri. Sorry. Okay, based on the implementation of field work practice at PT Citra Mandiri, I gain a lot experience related to digital-based recruitment administration. During street vendor, I was directly involved in various activity ranging from job vacancy publication, curriculum vitae screening, managing Google Form and candidate database, preparing interview schedule, communicating with candidate, to assisting in the implementation of interview and hiring events. And of these activities, I can implementation the knowledge that has been gained during lecture in the digital office administration program into the world of work, especially in the use of various digital platforms such as social media, Google Workspace, Google Meet, Microsoft Excel, and WhatsApp to support the recruitment administration process. Okay, in addition to gaining technical experience, uh, I also develop communication, coordination, time management, precision, responsibility, and adaptability in a professional work envir- environment. This experience is a very valuable uh, profession to prepare for entering the world of after graduation. Based on this experience, I give suggestion for a company. It is expect to continue to develop a recruitment administration system through the preparation of more detailed SOP and improve coordination in the interview scheduling process. For study program, it is hope that it can provide more in-depth briefing on digital recruitment administration before students carry out street vendors. As for the next practitioner, it is recommend to prepare digital administration competencies, be active, thrive, and maintain good communication while undergoing street vendor activities in order to gain maximum experience. Conclude my presentation on the fieldwork report. Through the fieldwork practice at PT Citrans Mandiri, I gain invaluable experience both in the implementation of digital-based recruitment administration and in the development of communication skill, teamwork, and professionalism in the workplace. It my sincere hope that the experience and lessons during this field work practice will serve as a foundation for entering the workforce and contribute to development of my competencies in the field of digital office administration. I would like to express my gratitude to Dr. Andes Munawaro SMSE as my academic advisor to PT Citrans Mandiri for providing me with the opportunity to complete this fieldwork practice and to the faculty members serving ex, uh, examiners for their attention and the opportunity they have grant me. Thank you for your attention. I'm ready to receive any question and feedback. Thank you.